In this video, I'm going to be showing you JungleScout's product cost tool and how it shows you exactly how much profit you're making on Amazon. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you every tool that JungleScout currently offers. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. So the first thing you're going to do is log into JungleScout.com. Once you're in JungleScout.com, there is a product and cost setting area. And you want to go here, and then if you're selling a product on Amazon, it should be synced. If it's not synced, then you can go into your settings and make sure that your Amazon ads account and your full Amazon account is synced with JungleScout. Once it's fully synced, all of your products are going to show up here, and you can simply put in all of the costs. So if I can click on this product right now, and I can add the product cost. So let's say I purchased the goods and it's $2 a piece. And this is going to be the shipping cost per unit, not to Amazon, because JungleScout automatically calculates all of the Amazon's fees. This is if it's off of Amazon. So maybe if it's from China directly to the US or something that Amazon can't see, right? So if there is a special shipping cost from China to Amazon, then maybe you can put that in for $1, and then any miscellaneous costs. So you can say it costs $3 for this product, and you can see when it was last synced, which is a while ago, so you can resync it to make sure it's there, and any product logistics. So the lead time in days. So this is going to be good for your inventory manager. So that way JungleScout can tell you, hey, you're about to run out of stock, it's time to reorder. So this first area to put in their cost of goods is pretty much so that way when JungleScout tells you how much profit you made, it's accurate. It has all of your costs in there, so you don't have to have your own little spreadsheet and triple check every single time. The product logistics part is the lead time in days. So when you're about to run out of stock, how long does it take for it to be manufactured and be ready to ship back into Amazon? So lead time in days, usually for most manufacturers, is around 30 days. Sometimes it's 60 days, but I would just put 45. Reorder days, the number of days worth of sales you want to reorder. This is to calculate your reorder quantity. So how many days worth of inventory do you want at Amazon at a time? I always tell my clients that we should have 120 days worth of inventory, because sometimes what happens is you ship an inventory and something goes wrong. So you can do 120 days, or maybe if you want to be a regular person, you can do 60 days of inventory. But again, we have that big lead time, so we're probably going to want to make it longer. Now you can sync that in and sync it, and then put all of those into here. Once that's fully synced, then you can come back into your profit overview, and it's going to calculate all of your Amazon's fees, all of the return fees, and everything else like that. So it can show you how much your net margin is. If we look from December 1st to December 31st on this account, the units sold has decreased, which isn't good. But the net margin, net profit has increased, which is more important most of the time, depending on how many units were sold, right? We're here to make a profit, not lose money. Now the ROI went up 60%, so that's really good. So you can see the net profit is $6,000, and the gross profit, and we can see all of the fees here. We can see the costs, how much all the shipping was, even the PPC fees, units sold. And if you did put your product costs in, it's going to have the product cost fees in here as well, and all the extra shipping fees. Now, thank you for staying towards the end of the video, and I'm going to be showing you every tool that JungleScout does offer right now. And the first one is the Academy, which is extremely powerful. Nobody talks about this, but they are made by multi-million-dollar Amazon sellers, and it's a little training guide, and it is very good. It's not on YouTube. I haven't found it anywhere else. Next is developers. If you are a developer, you can edit some of the JungleScout tools and make them better. The JungleScout Chrome extension is essential. I use it every single day. Now the Manage Products tab, we kind of went over this already, but the Listing Builder, this is to help you improve your listing. FBA reimbursements when you ship products into Amazon for reimbursements. Inventory Manager, Jungle Scout can tell you when to reorder inventory, how much to reorder, and all of that good stuff. We've got the product cost and settings, which we talked about in today's video. Then we have the analytics and performance, which is this page right here, showing you the exact profit that you made, the profit and loss statement, other transactions, ad analytics, review automation, so that way you can gain more reviews. You can see we've gained almost pretty much every single review we've asked for. We've gained around 4 stars, and you can see we saved 13 hours. Great tool right here. Keyword optimization, so Keyword Scout to actually do a reverse ASIN of your competitors. Keyword lists, keyword rank tracker. This is to improve your SEO and your listings, also keeping track of competitors. Supplier database, so if you were looking at suppliers and trying to launch your own product. Supplier tracker, product research, product database, opportunity finder, product tracker, category trends, sales estimator, and then last but not least, you have competitive intelligence. This is utilizing AI to help your listing get ahead. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on how you recently conquered Amazon, and if you learned something new, drop a like. If you're an Amazon seller already, I highly recommend that you subscribe to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help selling on Amazon, increasing sales, fixing an issue, or even creating your own product, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. This is what we specialize in, and the link is right in the description for more. Our #1 service is our full Amazon A to Z account management service. We'll come in, you'll have your own dedicated professional trained by me that's going to be managing your account, calling Amazon, doing Amazon ads, and then our team is going to come in with the design, SEO, customer service, so that way you can focus on managing your business instead of dealing with the daily BS of calling and managing your business with Amazon. We'll ensure that your sales increase and go from there. Just contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.